9 cukup jauh ya. Insya Allah udah belajar bab 1, bab 2, bab 3 ya. Berarti itu mengenai simple present. Dan sudah latihan kan, sudah mulai ngerti, dan sekarang kita akan mencoba untuk memahaminya di luar kepala. Jadi kita mulai dari nominal tenses dulu yang menggunakan dari be, is are, berarti tiganya itu, dan kalimatnya. Kalimatnya pada simple present ya. Okay, are you ready? Okay. The sentence is you are a student. Positif, positif, interrogatif, negatif, negatif, interrogatif. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Positive. You are a student. Positive interrogative. Are you a student? Negative. You are not a student. Negative interrogative.
Or. Anca. You are not a student or
Negative. You are not a student.
Or
you aren't a student. Negative interrogative.
maybe change.
Are you not a student or aren't you a student?
Okay. They.
Positive.
Bilang Ki. Ya, they.
Positive.
Ya ini.
They are a student.
Oh, pakai.
Positive interrogative. Are they a student? Negative. They are not a student or they aren't a student. Negative interrogative. Are they a student? Are they not a student or aren't they a student?
We.
Positive. We are a student.
We are students toh.
We are students. Positive interrogative. Are we students? Negative. We are not a student or
No, nanda ada e-nya kalau we kami kan lebih dari satu.
we are not students or we aren't students. Negative interrogative. Are we not
Foto dari sini pilih.
students or
Dari sini
aren't
aja.
we
Yang ini.
students?
Oke. We tadi ya. Sekarang he.
He. Positive. He is a student. Positive interrogative.
Kemarin dari sini.
Is
Yang
he a
ini.
student?
Ini.
Is he a student? Negative. He is not
Bisa.
a student or he isn't a student. Negative interrogative. Is he a student?
Ada negatif, ada not.
Is he not a student or isn't he a student?
Ganti nama orang. He menjadi baco. Dari 2 kali.
Positif. Baco is a student. Positif interrogatif. Is Baco a student?
Bentar, Pi.
Negatif. Baco is not a student or Baco isn't a student.
Oke.
Negatif interrogatif. Is Baco not a student
Or
isn't Baco a student?
Oke. He.
Positif. She is a student. Positif interrogatif. Is she a student? Negatif. She is not a student or she isn't a student. Negatif interrogatif. Is she not a student or isn't she a student?
Ganti jadi she menjadi becek.
Positive. Bच्चे is a student. Positive interrogative. Is बच्चे a student? Negative.
Do you want to buy something? Do you want to order something?
बच्चे is not a student. Or बच्चे isn't a student.
Oke.
Negatif interrogatif. Is बच्चे not a student? Or isn't बच्चे a student?
Oke, good. Kemudian apa lagi? I.
I am a student. Positif interrogatif. Am I a student? Negatif. I not a student.
I am not.
I am not a student. Negatif interrogatif. Am I not a student?
Oke. Sekarang it is a student.
Positif. It is a student. Positif interrogatif. Is it a student? Negatif. It is not a student. Or it isn't a student. Negatif interrogatif. Is it not a student? Or isn't it a student?
Oke. A cat. It is a book lah. A cat is an animal.
Positif. A cat is an animal. Positif interrogatif. Is a cat an animal?
Ya.
Negatif. A cat is not an animal. Or a cat isn't an animal. Negatif interrogatif. Is a cat not an animal? Or isn't a cat an animal?
Ya, good. Kemudian it is an animal.
Positif. It is an animal. Positif interrogatif. Is it an animal? Negatif. It is not an animal. Or it isn't an animal. Negatif interrogatif. Is it not an animal?
Oke.
Or isn't it an animal?
Oke, good. Sekarang gini, saya nambah ya soalnya. A cat and a dog are animals.
A cat and a dog
Are
are
animals.
animals.
Karena lebih dari satu kan? Oke. Kasus ini enggak. Oke. Positif.
Positif. A cat and a dog are
Nggak ada e-nya.
are animals.
Nah, positif interrogatif.
Positif interrogatif. Are a cat and a dog are animals.
Nggak dua kali are, sekali JR. Ulangi. Positif interrogatif.
Positif interrogatif. Are a cat and a dog are animals.
No. Without double R.
Ulang. Positif
Repeat.
interrogatif. Are a dog and a cat animals?
Ya.
Negatif. A cat and a dog not.
Nah, B-nya mana?
A cat and a dog are not animals.
Ya, or
Or a cat and a dog aren't animals. Negatif interrogatif. Are a cat and a dog are not animals?
No, without double R. Ini kan R-nya dipindahkan, berarti dipindahkan itu nggak ditambah.
Negatif interrogatif. Are a cat and a dog not animals, or aren't a cat and a dog animals?
Oke, ngerti. Sekarang gini, Baco and Bece adalah pelajar-pelajar. How do you say in English?
Baco and Bece are students.
Ya, rubah keempat-empatnya.
Positif. Baco and Bece are students.
Ya,
Positif interrogatif. Are Bece and Baco students? Negatif. Baco and Bece are not students. Or Baco and Bece aren't students. Negatif interrogatif. Are Baco and Bece students?
Oke.
Or aren't Baco and Bece students?
Oke, paham ya? Itu bab 1, bab 2 kita anggap kamu tuntas. Sekarang kita masuk ke bab 3. No? Pada simple present verbal.
Betul.
Mau kata kerjanya go atau feel?
Feel.
Feel. Oke. Kamu merasa bahagia, positif, positif interrogatif, negatif, negatif interrogatif. Oke? Oke.
Positif. You feel happy.
Terjemahkan ini sekarang. Kamu
Kamu
merasa
bahagia.
positif.
Positif interrogatif. Do you feel happy?
Apa artinya?
Apakah kamu merasa bahagia?
Oke.
Negatif. You do not feel happy,
Or
or you don't feel happy.
translate.
Kamu tidak merasa bahagia.
Oke. Negatif.
Negatif interrogatif. Do you not feel happy?
Saya bantu. Apakah kamu? Bilang saya. Apakah kamu
Apakah kamu
tidak
tidak
merasa bahagia?
merasa bahagia?
Or
Or
don't you?
don't you feel happy?
Tidakkah kamu
Tidakkah kamu
merasa bahagia?
merasa bahagia?
Ngerti? Sekarang you kan, sekarang pindah ke you they.
They
Positif.
positif. They feel happy.
Translate.
Mereka merasa bahagia. Positif interrogatif. Do they feel happy? Apakah mereka merasa bahagia? Negatif. They do not feel happy, or they don't feel happy. Mereka tidak merasa bahagia.
Oke.
Negatif interrogatif. Do they not feel happy? Apakah mereka tidak merasa bahagia?
Or
Or don't they feel happy? Tidakkah mereka merasa bahagia?
good. Sekarang we sekarang.
Positif. We feel happy. Kami merasa bahagia. Positif interrogatif. Do we feel happy? Apakah kita merasa
Apakah
bahagia?
kami?
Apakah kami merasa bahagia? Negatif. We do not feel happy, or we don't feel happy. Kami tidak merasa bahagia. Negatif interrogatif. Do we not feel happy, or don't we feel happy?
Oke. I.
Positif. I feel happy. Saya merasa bahagia. Positif interrogatif. Do I feel happy? Apakah saya merasa bahagia? Negatif. I do not feel happy. Saya tidak merasa bahagia.
I do not. Ya, saya tidak merasa.
Saya tidak merasa bahagia.
Or singkatannya
Or I don't feel happy.
sama aja. Negatif.
Negatif interrogatif. Do I not feel happy? apakah saya merasa bahagia? Or don't I feel happy?
Kamu dan saya merasa bahagia. You.
You and I feel happy.
Oke, terus ulangi 4 kalimat, 4 perubahan.
Positif. You and I feel happy. Kamu dan saya merasa bahagia. Positif interrogatif. Do you and I feel happy? Apakah kamu dan saya merasa bahagia?
Ya.
Negatif. You and I do not feel happy. Or you and I don't feel happy.
Oke.
Kamu dan saya tidak merasa bahagia.
Oke.
Negatif interrogatif. Do you and I not feel happy? Apakah kamu dan saya tidak merasa bahagia? Or don't you and I feel happy?
Okay.
Or tidakkah kamu dan saya merasa bahagia?
Don't you and I
Don't you and I
feel happy?
feel happy?
Oke. Sekarang yang terakhir ya, yang saya lihat di sini latihanmu masuk pada ini, pada he, she, it ya. Ini kita perlihatkan bukumu lagi. Jadi kalau dia positif adalah dia menjadi he feels happy. Nah,
He feels happy.
kenapa kemudian bukan lagi do he feel happy? Karena dia huruf 1S kan, menjadi does he feel happy.
Happy.
Negatifnya he does not. Nah, udah pakai does terus. He does not feel happy or he doesn't feel happy. Negatif interrogatif, does he not feel happy or doesn't he feel happy? Understand? Coba, bisa ditutup atau mau lihat dulu?
Lihat dulu.
Oke. Positif.
Positif.
He,
He feel happy.
no, feel, huruf 1S.
He feels happy.
Hmm.
Positif interrogatif. Does he feels happy?
Enggak lagi, dasnya udah S-nya udah dipakai das, kembali ke huruf 1.
Does he feel happy?
Oke, negatif.
Negatif. He does not feel happy.
Or
Or
does
he not feel happy?
Or
doesn't he feel happy?
ngerti? Tutup buku. Oke, positif. He feels,
Positif. He feels happy.
terjemahkan.
Dia laki-laki.
Nggak usah aja, dia merasa.
Dia merasa bahagia.
Hmm.
Positif interrogatif. Does he feel happy? Apakah dia merasa bahagia?
Nah,
Negatif.
he
He does not feel happy.
or
Or he doesn't feel happy. Apakah
dia tidak.
tidak merasa bahagia? Negatif interrogatif. Does he not feel happy?
or
Or doesn't he feel happy?
Oke, good. Ganti baco laki-laki itu. Baco
Positif. Baca feels happy. Positif interrogatif. Does baca feel happy? Negatif. Baca does not feel happy.
or
Or baca doesn't feel happy. Negatif interrogatif. Does baca not feel happy? Or doesn't baca feel happy?
Oke, she
Positif. She feels happy. Positif interrogatif.
does
Does she feel happy? Negatif. She does not feel happy. Or she doesn't feel happy. Negatif interrogatif. Does baca not feel happy? or
Does she dulu ya.
does she not feel happy or doesn't she feel happy?
Kemudian perempuan, becek merasa bahagia.
Positif, Bece feels happy. Positif interrogatif, does Bece feel happy? Negatif, Bece does not feel happy or Bece doesn't feel happy. Negatif interrogatif, does Bece not feel happy or doesn't Bece feel happy?
Seekor, it dulu, it feels happy.
It feels happy. Positif, it feels happy.
Itu merasa bahagia. Atau a monkey lah dulu, a monkey
A monkey
feels happy. Nah, seekor,
Seekor monyet merasa bahagia.
ya,
Positif interrogatif.
does
Does a monkey feel happy? Apakah
seekor,
seekor monyet merasa bahagia?
Negatif.
Negatif. A monkey does not feel happy or a monkey doesn't feel happy. Monyet itu tidak merasa bahagia. Negatif interrogatif. Does a monkey not feel happy or
Itu dulu tanya makan. Apakah
apakah
seekor
monyet
tidak
tidak merasa bahagia
or
or doesn't a monkey feels happy?
nggak usah pakai s lagi nih.
Feel
Doesn't
Doesn't a monkey feel happy?
tidakkah
Tidakkah monyet itu
seekor
Tidakkah seekor monyet
Merasa
bahagia?
Oke. Sekarang monkey-nya kita ganti menjadi it feels happy. Hah? Nah, terjemahkannya itu merasa bahagia atau bisa menyebutnya seekor itu aja ya atau seekor monyet terserah. Coba it feels positif.
It
Positif.
It feels happy.
Hmm.
Itu merasa bahagia.
Ya, nggak masalah ya oke.
Positif interrogatif. Do
Kenapa nadu?
Does
It feels
it-
toh. Ya.
Does it feel happy? Apakah itu merasa bahagia? Negatif. It does not feel happy. Or it doesn't feel happy. Itu tidak merasa bahagia. Negatif interrogatif. Does it not feel happy? Tidak. Apakah
Apakah?
itu tidak merasa bahagia?
Or?
Doesn't it feel happy?
Oke.
Tidakkah itu merasa bahagia?
Nah, kalau saya bilang begini, seekor monyet dan seekor kucing merasa bahagia. Kira-kira bagaimana bahasa Inggrisnya?
Ulang Mas.
Seekor monyet
Monyet.
dan seekor kucing merasa bahagia.
A monkey and a cat feels happy.
Feels atau feel?
Feel.
Ya, karena menjadi they kan? Ya, itu coba. A monkey and a cat positif.
Positif. A
A
monkey and a cat feel happy.
Apa itu? Seekor
Seekor monyet dan
Seekor.
seekor kucing merasa bahagia.
Oke, positif interrogatif.
Positif interrogatif. Do a monkey and a cat feel happy?
Apakah
Apakah seekor monyet dan seekor kucing merasa bahagia? Negatif. A monkey and a cat do not feel happy.
or
Or a monkey and a cat don't feel happy.
negatif?
Negatif interrogatif. Do a monkey and a cat not feel happy?
Nah, terjemahkan dulu. Apakah
Apakah monyet dan
Seekor.
monyet dan seekor kucing itu merasa bahagia?
Tidak ada itunya. A cat. Nah, seekor monyet. Seekor.
Apakah seekor monyet dan seekor
Kucing.
kucing merasa bahagia? Or
Don't.
don't a monkey and a cat feel happy? Tidakkah seekor monyet dan seekor kucing merasa bahagia?
Good. Nah, tuntas kan? Oke, bagus lah. Perhatikan.